Welcome to Personal Mastery. I'm Dr. Jeffrey Magee. On today's masterclass, you perhaps have heard me talk about this in some leadership conversations. This does deserve to be on the personal docket as well. Net zero. If you truly want to actualize, grow, and be all that which you have been put on this planet to be, then you have to start making some tough love decisions. I'm not talking about being mean, rude, and disrespectful to your fellow mankind, womankind, personkind, but here's what I am saying. Net zero is the people around you, where you live, where you work, where you associate. If all they can do is pull you down, if they're net zeros, they don't add any quality to the environments they're in, yeah, that's some tough love. If these are people that in essence have decided, I don't want to contribute anything meaningful to you, the people around you, this organization, this community, then you've got to either find a way to remove them from the conversation. There's some tough love. And no one wants to do that, so therefore you need to remove yourself from that environment. Net zeros only are a cancer to you. And when you are not at peak mental and physical health, you can't, in essence, have the legacy upon others you were put here for. Eliminate the net zeros or eliminate you from those net zeros. There's far too many of them today, and society all of a sudden is celebrating, condoning, and rewarding net zero.